We live by timers, notifications, deadlines. Alarms tell us when to wake up. Calendars tell us where to be. Phones buzz to remind us we're late, even when we're not. But what if we managed our clocks instead of our clocks managing us? Good morning and welcome to Sunup Conversations. This is a place to slow down for a moment before the day speeds up. No noise, no rush, just a few thoughtful minutes to help you start the day with clarity, perspective, and intention. I'm glad you're here. The other morning I was standing in the kitchen before the sun was fully up. The coffee was brewing, the pan warming on the stove. No agenda yet, just the day stretching out in front of me. I realized something in that moment. I wasn't in a hurry. No timer set, no clock being checked every few seconds. And there was something peaceful about that. About cooking when no one's rushing you. And that's what today's conversation is about. Cooking without a clock. We measure almost everything by time, but some of the best moments in life happen when we stop watching the clock. Cooking teaches us that in a very simple way. If you've ever cooked without rushing, really cooked, you know what I mean. You hear the sound of the pan simmering. You notice the smell of the bacon. You feel the texture instead of checking the recipe again. Cooking teaches patience, and not everything can be rushed. Some things don't respond well to pressure. Some things need time, even simple things. You can't force onions to caramelize faster, and you can't rush dough into rising. You can't hurry flavors into developing. I've always been told a watched pot never boils. You have to wait. And while you wait, you pay attention. There's something we are slowly losing. You see, patience increases awareness. We've been trained to believe that faster is better, that efficiency equals success, that every moment needs to be optimized. But life doesn't always work that way. You don't need a perfect recipe for a good meal, and you don't need exact measurements every time. You just need to be present, patient, and aware. Taste as you go, adjust as needed, trust what you're seeing and feeling. And life's the same way. Not every season of life must be optimized. Some seasons just need to be lived through. There are seasons when things are messy, when progress feels slow, when answers don't come on schedule. And if you stare at the clock the whole time, you'll miss what that season is teaching you. When you slow down, you notice more. You notice small wins. You notice growth that isn't flashy. You notice peace that doesn't come from accomplishment, but from presence. And when you notice more, you enjoy more. There's something grounding about letting something take the time it needs. It reminds us we're not machines. We're not meant to run at full speed all the time. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is slow down enough to pay attention. So today, whether it's a meal, a conversation, or a moment, let it take the time it needs. Don't rush, don't force, don't keep checking the clock. It's probably better that way. Hey, I'm Mike Mustaine. This has been Sunup Conversations. If this conversation added something positive to your morning, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps Sunup Conversations reach more people who could use a calmer start to their day. Have a great day, whatever you're stepping into today. And whenever you need a moment to reset, I hope you'll tune in again. Until next time, take care.